We have here the Eight of Cups energy. It looks like this is you. I'm feeling that lungkot, emotional, but the message that I'm getting from here is you want to walk away from something. You want to walk away from something. Yeah, look at that. Seven of Cups energy. This is you. Okay? You want to lessen. Okay? Pwedeng gusto mong mabawasan rito yung nararamdaman mong lungkot or mabawasan rito yung ano man na nararamdaman mo that you're getting emotional because, you know, I think this is you. Meron naman ikaw na parang nagagawa, no? Little by little. Pakunti-kunti. Okay? So let us see what you're up to or what is it that you're trying to tell. And I hope this reading can give you guidance and clear na rin ng anumang iniisip mo. So let us see. All right. Hmm. Okay. Kung ano man ito, you really want to find your way out, no? So you really want to find your way out na palabas dito sa ganitong klase ng sitwasyon because it looks like you've tried everything that you can but it's something here na parang hindi nagwo-work for this situation. I'm gonna tell you more about that, but let me just finish first ang ating paglay ng energy sa ating table, alright? Yeah, this is your main energy, the Five of Cups. Okay, that's more like it. So, hey there mga may loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. So, before we start digging more dito sa ating reading for ya guys, let me just tell you no, na wala tayong gender po dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung mga roles or pagpalit-palitin ang mga roles dahil ito ay general reading, kaya naman pwede mong gawin yon. And wala rin po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, no LGBT, okay, everyone is pwede, no, pwede rin, no, kung may cross-watchers and yun nga, meron kayong free will na pwede nyong gamitin or malaya ninyong gamitin at the end of the day. And hi and hello pala sa mga bagong viewers. Sana magstay kayo together with may pabalik-balik na mga subscribers. At kung hindi nyo pa nalalaman, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. Kaya naman, kung interesado kayo na tumambay din dyan din, kita-kita din po tayo there. Meron din tayong daily collective readings na ina-upload everyday and pwede ninyong panoorin yung lahat ng mga energy readings, no? Dahil timeless po ang lahat ng mga readings here in this channel and even there, no? Sa ating isa pang channel. So, dito, Nakikita ko dito kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, you are very eager to find your way out. Okay? At kapag ang isang tao ay very eager to find their way out, they eventually do everything, no? Like everything, no? Lahat, no? Ginagawa ng isang individual, no? Lalo na ikaw, no? Ginagawa mo ang lahat ng pwede mong gawin, no? Para lang makaalis ka sa ganitong klase ng sitwasyon. So we have here the Four of Cups energy, double energy, and very, very, very strong Nine of Cups energy. Okay? So meaning to say, this is you. It looks like meron ka ritong wish. Okay? Parang ito yung wish mo na parang ganito ka, na parang very desperate ka, very eager ka na parang, Lord, please, sana po, yan, no? And it looks like you are crying your heart out loud because you're feeling this Five of Cups energy. There's this very strong sadness in your heart. Yan. No? So, nakikita ko rito, no, that you have this wish na parang very desperate kang makuha yan. And I think it has something to do with the double energy, Ten of Swords right here, and the, what? Three of Swords. So, ibig sabihin mga babes, no, kung ano man tong wish mo na to, no, it has something to do with your past. Yan, no? So, dito, yung wish mo has nothing to do with your ex na gusto mong balikan. Like, yung wish mo is, sana magbalik yung ex ko, sana magkabalikan kami ng ex ko. Like, hindi iyon. Hindi iyon ang wish mo. Ang wish mo rito is, sana mawala na tong pain. Please kunin niyo na lang po, Lord, yung pain na nararamdaman ko, yung lungkot na nararamdaman ko. I don't want my ex back into my life. What I only want is ayoko nang maramdaman yung pain, ayoko nang maramdaman yung lungkot ng ginawa na betrayal sa akin ng taong ito. I wanna move past through it. I want to move on. Yan, no? So, it looks like you did everything, no? Even yung mga sinasabi ni Google, no? Maaring nag-search ka na rito ng mga pwede mong gawin to forget about this person who betrayed you. Look at that. You're still being chained. Yan, no? May mga parang mga, ang tawag dyan? Chain. Ang Tagalog ng chain. Parang may mga kadena, yan, no? May mga kadena rito, no, na nagdudugtong sa inyo rito. Parang you just wanna forget this person here. Parang your wish is like, sana pagising ko po bukas, Lord, makalimutan ko na po tong tao na to, lalo na yung pain na dinulot niya sa akin. All I want is to be happy. Yan, no? Kunin niyo na lang po yung lungkot ko, kunin niyo na lang po yung sadness ko. Yun lang po yung gusto ko. I don't want this person back into my life forever. You know? So, this is you. That's your only wish. Okay? Ang makaalis ka na dun sa heartache na yun, sa broken-heartedness na nararamdaman mo rito. Because it doesn't matter when this separation happened or when this betrayal happened. What matters to you right now, what's important to you, very, very important to you right now is for you to be okay, for you to be fine, for you to feel happy and to feel complete. Pwedeng humingi ka na rin ng advice with your other friends, with other people right here. Okay? You tried everything to forget about the pain or to forget about this person, but you just can't do it. Okay? But you know what, mga babes, na bago ko ituloy yung sasabihin ko, let me tell you that there's no shortcut for healing. Like, wala. No opsol. So, nakita ko rito that it's definitely true that really time can heal all wounds. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na if you want to scream, kung gusto mong sumigaw, then sumigaw ka. Diba? Kung gusto mong magalit, kung gusto mo ritong i-curse itong tao na to, or gusto mo ritong magsalita ng hindi maganda sa kanya, kahit hindi sa harapan niya, kahit sa kwarto mo, sa loob ng kwarto mo, or kahit sa ang lugar na kunwari pumunta ka sa isang mala forest mo, or parang malapit sa bundok, or pag nag-hike ka, nag-camping ka, you can shout it out, no? Your anger, how angry you are, how disappointed you are with that person. Okay? And then you're gonna release the negative toxins, no, na meron ka for this person. The negative energies, marirelease mo yun. Okay? And that's one step. Because yung iba sa inyo, hindi naman talaga ninyo nagawa yun. Okay? If you feel like that you want to tell it right to his or her face, then you can do that. If that's what will make you feel na parang gagaan yung loob mo, then you can tell it right to his or her face. Lalo na kung alam mo kung saan siya nakatira. You talk to that person one last time. One last time. And tell everything. Alam mo, you are BS. Toot, 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 toot. After all, it's all true. That person did betray you. But that person did not give you any chance to get angry, to tell what you wanna tell, because pwedeng yung iba sa kanila nang ghost na lang bigla, hindi nyo nasabi lahat ng gusto nyo sabihin. That person kept you hanging from here. Okay? Hindi ko naman talaga ina-advise na humarap kayo sa harapan niya, no? Para lang gawin tong bagay na to or whatever, no? Pero dito kasi, because you're too desperate, no? And you feel like this is something here na gusto mong ilabas sa harap ng mukha niya, then you can do that. Okay? If that's your first step, no? Para ma-release mo yung negative energies of this person from your body, from your energy. Dahil naka-attach ito sa yung energy. This is what chains you from moving past through it. Okay? And kung hindi ka naman naharap sa kanya, diyan ka lang sa kwarto mo, no, din magalit ka, manggigil ka dyan, di ba? Sabihin mo, tut, 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 tut. Akala mo kung sino kang gwapo, akala mo kung sino kang maganda. Tut, 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 tut. Release your anger. Yan. Kasi dito nakikita ko that you're very desperate, no? Yun yung pinaka-wish mo rito. Ano? Yung iba, sana bago magpasko, sana bago man lang magpalit yung taon, sana okay na ako. Or sana mas okay na ako. Yung iba naman, very desperate na sana makapag-move on na talaga ako. Yan. Nakita ko yung eagerness nyo rito. You're crying because this person here did abandon you for some reason that's so nonsense. 'Di ba? Nonsense reason niya. 'Di ba? Yung nakakasick niyang mga excuses before. Hmm? So, nakita ko rito that this is you. You just want to be happy. Chariot card energy, 3 of cups right here. You want to get reunited with your old you. Yan, no? Yung old you na tinutukoy mo dito is gusto mong maibalik yung dati mong sigla, yung dating masayahing ikaw, yung dating energetic na ikaw. Yan, no? Gusto mong maibalik yung ganun. You wanna uh, get back your confidence and power. Diba? So, yun yung gusto mong maibalik rito sa'yo. You're praying, you're hoping that someday it will happen here. And you want it to be right now, right at this very moment, or sana kahit bago man lang magpasko, or sana kahit bago man lang pumasok yung 2025, I can say that I'm already moved on. Yung iba puwedeng gusto mong mag-move on, 'no, dito sa love mo for this person here, 'no, you just want to tanggalin na lang ni Lord 'tong pagmamahal ko, natitira kong pagmamahal sa kanya kasi it's suffocating na. Yung iba naman, gusto ko na sana tanggalin na lang ni Lord itong nararamdaman kong pain because it's already killing me. It's already killing my dreams to move forward, you know? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na yun nga, nakikita ko that with the full card energy, there's always a new beginning here for you. There's always. Okay? You will be successful with the Nine of Wands energy in getting your power back to you. You're gonna put yourself on that pedestal once again, and you're gonna win this very challenging battle, no, na kinahaharap mo ngayon. It might not be working right now because it needs time and space, but I'm seeing that with your strong faith to want to move past through it, you will definitely not fail. Not fail. Okay? So, nakita ko that with the Six of Wands energy, it might be a very tiring, long battle for you, pero there's victory from it. Okay? Babalik ka hindi lang sa dati mong sigla, kundi mas magiging masigla ka pa. Okay? Yung dating masayahing ikaw, mas magiging masaya ka pa dito sa new beginning na ito. And what I love about this one is your wish is not to go back with your ex, but your wish is to, okay, or is for God to take away your pain, to take away your sadness. Yeah. Kaya mo yan, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo mga babes, no? Dahil nakikita ko rito ang malinaw na outcome for you that there's a new beginning, a successful new beginning here for you guys. The love that you really deserve, the love that you crave for is coming forth to you. That abundance and prosperity in life, in business, whatever, okay? In your career, in your job, whatever, they're coming forth to you. Everything that you deserve, you're gonna make your way papunta dun. Trust me, but trust your angels and guide more. I believe that you're gonna surpass this one. Okay? Ang lakas mo nga eh. You're strong. And I'm already proud of you. And I will be prouder dito kapag nakita kitang nakalampas na ng tuluyan at ini-enjoy yung mga bagay na talagang deserve mo. So, muli ako po sa yan mga babes, no? And maraming salamat sa oras mo. And for some reason, nakatatay dito ng letter N. So, maaring may N ka sa iyong pangalan. Baka may initials kang ganyan or whatever. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. Thank you so much. Again, ako po si Yan, no? Sarang Heyo, Love and Light. Ano?